Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to lower your Ram 1500 spare tire. First, gather the necessary tools from your truck, typically found behind the rear seat. You'll need the jack handle, extension pieces, and the lug wrench. Before starting, always park your Ram 1500 on a firm, level surface and engage the parking brake for safety. This ensures stability while you work, preventing any unexpected movement. Having the right tools and a safe environment is crucial for a smooth process. Next, locate the access hole in your Ram 1500 rear bumper, which is typically found near the license plate. This hole provides direct access to the spare tire lowering mechanism. Carefully insert the square end of the extension rod into this opening, ensuring it seats properly. Then, connect the jack handle to the extension rod. This assembly creates the necessary leverage to operate the lowering winch. Make sure all connections are secure before proceeding to the next step. Now, with the tools connected, begin turning the jack handle counterclockwise. This action will slowly lower the spare tire from its mounted position under your Ram 1500. Continue rotating the handle until the tire is completely on the ground and the cable is slack. Once the tire is fully lowered, you can carefully pull it out from under the truck. Finally, remove the retaining cable from the center of the wheel to free the spare tire completely. You're almost done. After successfully lowering your spare tire, remember to store the flat tire and all your tools securely in your truck. Proper storage prevents items from shifting during travel. Before installing your spare, always check its inflation pressure to ensure it's safe for use on the road. A properly inflated spare is essential for your safety and vehicle performance. Also, if you're looking for a great way to enjoy your favorite books, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other fantastic deals you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.